Good afternoon, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. Less than 24 hours from our conference. It starts tomorrow. We've got that starting tomorrow afternoon and going through Saturday. I guess we're done at noon on Saturday. So if you guys are still able to make it out, certainly feel free to come on to Crystal Lake here right at the Holiday Inn. I'll be glad to see you guys out there. But other than that, grains today. Corn up about 3.5 cents. Beans down 1 3/4 pennies with wheat down 6. It was relatively quiet today as far as trade early on. We had a lot of the movement happening within the last 10 minutes of trade. But corn remained strong, and it was a lot of spreading. Yesterday we saw some spread unwinding where we had March down in December, found some strength. Well, today it was the absolute opposite. Those guys that got out of spreads looked like they may have got back into them here today, but March was up, December was down today. So, but beans down 1 3/4 pennies. We were down about 18, anywhere from 14 to 18 cents for most of the day. But we've got export sales that are out tomorrow. Beans are expecting to see some pretty good export sales once again. Some of the estimates right now, 750,000 to 950,000 tons of beans tomorrow. We had a huge export here last week, so we're expecting to see some pretty decent exports again for beans in the morning. For corn, 200,000 to 400,000 is the expectation for corn, and then wheat, 350 to 550,000. So we'll see. We'll see if we can get a little bit better sales. We know corn export sales have been pretty negative, pretty weak over the last several months, so we really haven't gotten any momentum here or showing any signs of better demand yet on corn. But we'll see what the numbers look like tomorrow. But overall, more of a relatively quiet day. Now, when you look at the weather, South American weather right now is a big ticket thing to watch. And at this point, it seems like one day you don't have rain, the next day you do. So they added some rain over the last I guess last night into today, so they've got more of a wetter biased for areas of South America, and that is what gave us the pressure here early on today. But continue watching the weather. That's going to be a significant market mover, at least for beans and maybe even for corn over the next couple weeks. So outside markets not really giving us much, unchanged for the dollar. Crude oil down up about 80 cents. So gaining back what it had lost yesterday, still remaining above $96 a barrel, still looking very strong. Little different story in the metals. We took out some technical support again. Gold down $20, silver down 70 cents. So finding some pressure here today as far as metals. But one of the bigger stories today in cattle. Fat cattle up about $1. Now, we've seen some exciting trade over the last few weeks, but we did have as of this morning, we had seen 122 trade as far as cash. After the close, though, we're looking at 124 confirmed. Potentially talks right now of 125 yet as well. So that's going to keep this market pretty excited, and probably pretty excited here tomorrow, as well. So box beef, though, not helping anything out. Choice down 163, select down 60 cents. But watch the cash market. Cash is king right now, and that's what's pushing around these prices. The hogs up $1 today. April up about $1.50. So very strong cash markets there as well. We are getting this strong cash rally that we expected for hogs. We've got that April contract up about $1.50 here for the week. So most of the gains coming from today's move. But as I mentioned for cattle, the hogs, same thing. Cash is what you need to watch. That's what's driving the market right now. Not a lot of outside news helping it out, but the cash market is what to focus on. So give us a call, 800-262-7538. Check us out on the web, allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day, and we will talk to you later.